Hello, good morning, subscribers and new viewers. In this video, um, I will show you how to create a 3D model from 3D model up to the Chitubox Slicer. What is a Chitubox Slicer? It is a software we use to make a 3D print. This is my copied note. This is a copied idea, but I did a little tweak to make it a little bit stronger. So I watched that one in YouTube. Same industry, 3D printing industry. However, I am not actually full-time on the 3D printing industry. I am mostly on the oil and gas industry, doing some electrical design, drafting, and 3D modeling. But this is a hobby of mine, so I just want to share to you guys what am I or what I'm doing after work. So this is it. Okay. First, I did create a helix or a spiral object, and then change it like, what are we planning to do? Because I did it a lot of times, so I already know. I just want to remember how many turns, what's the size. So yeah, this video will takes like 30 minutes long, but I did speed it up to 200%, so guys, we'll be here for another 13 minutes ish. Okay, so let's go back to the topic. This is spiral. I created this one just to make this object extrusion to path. Usually extrusion goes x axis, y axis, or especially always mostly on the z axis. But if you want to go on extrude to path, you need to create a path which the object will follow. So this spiral is my path, and these rectangular lines, these are my object, which I wanted to extrude this one into that path. So I would like to join this one, so I need to polyline edit and then join. However, this ProgeCAD is giving me a problem on how to join an object. There's a lot of questions. I don't know why. Why not just pick the object, select the object which you wanted to join? Why do you need to pick those layers? So you need to isolate it. You need to change the layers, and then pick the layers. I'm not sure. I need to check on this again. But right now the topic is not on how to do the polyline edit, but to create a spiral object, which I usually use for my curtain organizer. One of a member of what you call this 3D printing group. I don't remember the 3D printing group. Okay, F. Just print it. Yeah, F asterisk K dot. I'll just print it. Group. Okay. Yes. This guy is asking for, like, really, his gun. Okay, it's gone. Oh, it's still there. J, nice. Got a link to your revised version. So I said sorry, I didn't upload it to any website. So yeah, I'll just create you a video on how you can follow. So yeah, this is the spiral extrude to path. But I think I need to make this. It's too thick, but I think it's fine. It's fine because some curtains are thick, which you need more reliable, more thickness for your filament or on your resin. I don't know how tough is your filament and how strong is your resin, but yeah, I definitely give you like 5/32 mm or 5/32 inches thickness. 5/32, it might be a little bit like 5 mm or 6 mm. That's thick enough, I guess. Let's see. I'm not. Let's go on our calculator. Hello. Yeah. My video just got freeze up because of that calculator. So okay, let's go back here. So I'm trying to join these lines, arc, something. Okay. So basically the thickness is 4 mm plus those corrugated bump or hump, another 2, so definitely 6 mm. And that's my idea on how to get this what you call this one, this twist spiral thingy tougher, right? So if you have a curtain, which a thick curtain or a heavy curtain, this can handle this one. So yeah, I'm going to subtract this to make it flatten. I'm going to subtract this box, this solid box, into my spiral. I need to put it on the center of this spiral and make a little twisting or subtracting. I want to have this 0.5 distance from the other side, from the edge, so I still have, I'm not cutting the 1.5 spiral turns. And then I'm supposed to be mirroring it, but it's not gonna work, so I don't know. I'll just move it and get the distance. So yeah, I did get to make it flatten. So I'm going to subtract command, click on the object, enter, click on the other side, and then another enter. That will give you a plain surface, so it will stick into your bed. So I will give this like another 4 mm on the fillet side, yeah, but I guess I made it wrong. I did undo everything, so I need to put another 4 mm, close to 4 mm. Yeah, okay, now I got this fillet, then I'll make a fillet on this one too. and then the other one. The reason why I'm turning this one, I wanna pick on that corner, because if you pick on the other side, it will fillet another line which is not filletable or can't be fillet, so can do the command fillet. Okay, now I will export this one into STL, 3D print STL. In AutoCAD, you'll just do the file export, and then select a object, and then you can now check on your folder where you put it. So there's the twist. Okay, so same as that. So let's click on that twist. Oh, there's the twist. However, I guess the spacing is so small. It's like 0.5 mm. Hopefully the curtain will fit on that, but you can always do the distance. You can always check on the distance. Now I'll be inputting this one on my Chitubox software. Open the twist. Dang it. So basically what I'm thinking here is 2 mm is 2 inches is equals to 2 mm. So I need to scale it up, though I can scale it up on my Chitubox 25.4, but I prefer to scale it up here in AutoCAD or ProgeCAD 25.4, and then I'll do the export again. Export 3D print STL, file name twist, enter, and okay, there's the twist. Now let's go to my Chitubox. Okay. Oh, that's automatically grows big. Okay, I'm planning on creating a hope it works. I'm planning on creating 2 pieces. I'm gonna clone this or change the resolution into more smoothness. However, no, let's just do it as is, as per the default setting. So I did clone it and move a little bit, but what if I put the support, the base support? What should I do? This will expand more and overlapped on my small small Iligumars bedding. So let's see, let's take a look. I just want the platform, not all. I just want the platform. So yeah, it overlapped my small bedding, and I don't want that to happen. So I will scale this one into, like, let's say 95%. So this will fit exactly. The inner is like less than 2 inches, so it's still good to change this one to 95%. Yeah, so let's see if it will fit. Then I guess it's okay. I think it's okay. So yeah, now you can put this in a USB, put your USB in your 3D printer and play it. That's all you have to do, guys. So yeah, for the subscribers, please comment, please ask question. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, or comment if you have any questions. Okay guys, later let's find another discussion. I'll wait till you comment. Thank you very much and have a great day.